Hello. Hi,
Hello.
Sabuka.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Excellent, excellent. What amazing things have you been doing today, my dear?
Today I ate breakfast and learned and played. I ate breakfast and played piano and learned, and then I have this class.
Oh, now, did you go to school today? Was today a fun day? What happened today?
I did not
Did you go to
go
school?
to school today.
Did not go to school. Okay. Now, is it still a holiday where you live?
Not now, but I still didn't go to school today.
Okay. Well, I hope you had a wonderful day. It sounds like you did.
Yeah.
So speaking of class, are you ready for this class?
Yes, I'm ready.
You think
By
so?
the way,
Yes.
I didn't go to school is because I had a stomach ache.
Oh no. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. I'm so glad you're feeling better. Well, my daughter has not gone to school today either. Didn't go to school yesterday because she had a stomach ache too. So I hope you stay feeling better, okay?
Okay.
Be sure to listen to Mom and get lots of rest, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. I think you're going to like this class today, Miss Amaka. We get to start a whole new unit, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
What do you think this unit will be about?
I think this
Lesson 2 is about
plants.
And their
Parts.
Yes, wait. Do you already know the parts of a plant? What do you think?
You mean like a stem, a leaf, a root?
Maybe some of that might be true. Yes, of course. There are many different parts to plants, and we're going to learn about a few of those, okay? All right, okay. So first what we need to do is do a walk through our lesson, okay? Right, so you can see what this unit or this lesson 2 is all about, okay? Then we'll start today's class, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to learn more about plants and their parts. We've got some really cool experiments to do. Then we're going to learn about all those wonderful vocabulary words, right? Yeah. And the many different parts of the plant and why those parts are important, right? Ooh, and then we get to learn about how they function, like those details like photosynthesis and chlorophyll. Ever heard those words before? Yeah, we've heard those words before. Yeah. Ooh, and we get to make some really cool charts and read things, and then more experiments. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I think you're going to like this a lot. So quickly. What parts did you think a plant had? What parts do you know?
Flower, leaves, stem, and roots.
But
you froze. You froze. And you're still freezing.
And see if that helps. Is that better?
Oh, yeah, that's better.
Okay. All right. So, what parts of the plant do you already know? You,
Oh, jeez.
there you are. Are you there?
Yeah.
All right. So, what parts of the plants do you already know? You said the flower, the leaves, the stem, and the roots, right?
Yeah.
But are there more parts to plants? What do you think? Yeah, there's a lot more. Okay?
In
But
here.
that's a really good place to start.
In
Okay, what
here.
is that?
In the stem.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Like there's something in the
That's right.
stem. Like a flower has roots and leaves and flowers and stems, and inside the stem you have cells.
Uh-huh.
And inside the cells you have okay, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Uh-huh. And then we have lots more parts to learn too, right? So we've got the different parts of the flower on the plant, right? All kinds of fun things to learn about plants and their flowers and how they grow. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So our first task is let's go back over here to the lesson. Can you read this part for me? We don't want to miss anything.
Look and wonder, some plants catch flies. Some smell like smell like rotting meat. Some can grow 3 feet in one day. Plants come in many shapes and sizes. How are small plants alive?
Well, okay, wait. Some plants catch flies? Do you know a plant that catches flies?
Okay, I'm gonna list the. So we have the sundew. We have the Venus flytrap.
This guy right here, right?
Yeah,
He
this
likes
guy.
to catch flies and eat them. That's right.
That's the
What about
Venus flytrap. And the sundew.
And we have this one. Do you know this one?
Oh, is that the pitcher plant?
Yeah, it's the pitcher plant, and it's very stinky. And look, it has a lid, right?
Yeah.
So, like a cup, then when the fly goes in, it goes boop, and it closes the lid, right? And it catches them and eats them. Crazy! There's so many cool different types of plants, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so much to learn. All right, ready? Here we go. Let's read through our experiment first, okay?
Okay.
How are plants alike?
Purpose. Find out about some characteristics in plants.
Observe.
Okay.
Procedure.
And one, observe. Observe. Study each plant carefully. Which plants have leaves? How do their leaves compare? Describe them using words and pictures. To infer which part of each plant grows underground. How is this part the same on each plant? How is it different? Record your observations with words and pictures. Observe again, I guess. Look carefully at each plant again. What other parts does each plant have? How are these parts the same? How are they different? Record your observations. Draw conclusions. 4. Infer again, I guess. Which parts do most plants have? 5. How are plants alike? Explore more. Experiment. Can different looking plants survive under the same conditions? How could you find out? Make a plan and try it.
Okay. Now I emailed, some stuff to class over, and they should have sent it to your mom and dad. Hopefully they got it, okay? All right. So I went ahead and made us a fancy little chart. It looks like this. So that you can do this experiment with me. We can do it together, okay?
Okay, I'm not sure if I have that.
Well, you may not, but if mom or dad check their email, they'll find it later, and they can print it off for you, okay?
Okay.
So next class we'll be prepared, okay?
Okay, just a moment.
So, okay.
I'm gonna whoop.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm done.
You got it? Okay. So first part, we need to pick your plants. Okay, so let's pick your plants. All right, so here we go. Ready? So first, I thought you might like to learn about an apple tree. What do you think? We need to pick, I have several for you to choose from, okay? So here's one. We have an apple tree. Then you can also choose a carrot. We need to pick 3. Here's a carrot. I also found about a peanut plant.
Oh.
I also found about a yellow pepper. I thought they were kind of cool looking.
Oh, yeah.
It's a yellow pepper. Okay? Not the hot ones. Just
Not
a regular yellow
ones.
pepper.
Just a
Not the hot one.
golden pepper plant.
Yeah, you're safe. Or a potato.
A potato?
So, yeah, which ones do you like? We need 3. What do you like? Remember, we're going to be looking for differences.
I like this
potato
plant because I like this worm.
Okay, so you have chosen the potato plant. I need 2 more, please, ma'am.
And
what do you think?
The peanut plant and the apple plant.
Okay, all right. No carrot. So we're not going to do the carrot, and we're not going to do the pepper, right?
Yeah.
So potato, peanut, and apple, right?
Right.
Yes. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and look at our apple plant since it's here. Okay. Tell me what you see.
I see 3 seeds, another seed.
Yes.
Some leaves and stems, and some roots. And some more roots, and some more roots, and some more roots, and some apples, and a happy apple, and leaves, and flowers, and leaves, and leaves, and leaves, and stems, and stems, and stems, and stems.
Very true. Now I have a question. If we're a stem when we're little, are we still a stem when we're big? What do you think?
No, that's a trunk. I mean this.
Yeah, our vocabulary words change. It's the same thing, it's just bigger. So it gets a bigger vocabulary word, right? So we change from stem over here to trunk, right? Now, what about these guys? What are these guys called?
Sticks.
Branches.
Yeah.
Branches. Yeah. And then when they're really, really little, like this one over here, we might even call them twigs or sticks, right? But if they're on a tree, it's a twig. If it's on the ground, then it's a stick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so our vocabulary words get bigger and bigger and bigger as the plant gets bigger and bigger and bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you forgot a vocabulary word. You forgot.
You froze.
Can you hear me, Ivanka? Classroom says it's still working. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure what's wrong. My side says everything's working okay, so I'm not sure what happened. Okay, so you missed a vocabulary word. Any guesses what word you missed? We have the flowers, right?
Yeah.
And then the flowers turn into
Apples.
fruit, right?
Fruit.
That may be different. It may be oranges, it may be apples, it may be plums or grapes. Well, not grapes.
Wait, what's
Plums. Huh?
Wait, what's a plum?
What is a plum? Oh my goodness, they are delicious. Hold on, I'll show you. All right, now let's see. Let's see, let me find my plum. Plum. Where's my plum? Oh, that's an onion. We don't want that. Oh, no, that's a peach.
What? Peach?
We're getting closer. Oh, there it is. Plums.
Oh.
They're in alphabetical order, so. So this is a plum, right?
Oh.
So it is also a fruit. Okay,
Oh.
a fruit off a tree.
Oh.
And then on the inside of our fruit, we have a seed.
Oh.
And then it starts all over again, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's a quick review of our apple. Now, you said next you wanted the potato, right?
Yeah, the potato.
All right.
Because
What parts do you see on a potato?
I see leaves, I see stems, I see roots, I see a potato, I see flowers, I see bees, I see birds,
Yes.
I see more bees, I see flower buds, and more flower buds, and I see dirt, and I see a worm with sunglasses that are blue, and I see words.
Okay.
I
Now I have
see
questions. Is this potato plant going to get big like an apple tree? What do you think?
Not, because it's a plant.
No.
It says plant,
Yeah,
not tree. Potato tree.
Well, right. So so they're all plants, right? But a tree gets really, really big. And this is more like a bush. It stays about waist high, like it'll get about as tall as your stomach, right? It's not going to get super big. So will this stay the word stem, or will this turn into trunk? What do you think?
This will always be stem.
Always stem. Trunk is a tree word. Very good. That's right. Now, wait. On a tree, the flowers make the fruit.
Oh.
Does a potato grow from the flower or does it grow underground?
It grows inside the ground because you see a potato in it. Or multiple.
Exactly. Now
Actually, it's
a
multiple.
potato is special. These are called tubers, right? They grow underground. On the what? They grow on the
root.
On the roots. Yeah, and they are called tubers. They grow on the roots instead of on the flower. Pretty interesting. So potatoes are kind of different, right?
Yeah, potatoes.
Yeah, kind of different.
And there's also this thing.
That's the base of the plant, right?
Yeah.
And wait, how do I start a new potato? How does a new potato start?
Well, that is a
Any
good
ideas?
question. I don't know.
What? You don't know? Oh my goodness, Miss Ivanka. You know everything. Like you're like, wow, you know all the things. Okay, well, we're gonna have to find out, okay? I will leave that a surprise for next class. Okay? All right, so let's look some more. Hold on just a second. All right, so the other one was, let's see, we had potato, we had apple, and you said peanut, right?
Yeah. Peanut. Oh, by the way, you froze again, so that's probably a problem.
On this side, but I'm not sure why it froze. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Can you hear me
now?
Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe the internet is having trouble. I'm not sure. The classroom says we're okay, but I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so what do you see here?
So what do you see here? I see some peanuts, and I see a peanut seed, and I see a peanut seed with a little root, and I see a peanut seed with a tiny sprout with a root.
There you go. Vocabulary words.
Seed with a broken peanut seed, or the peanut seed is split into two halves with one root and another sprout, but bigger. And this is a plant, or you can call leaves. And I see a stem, and I see a stem, and I see a stem, and I still see the split into two half peanut seed, and I still see the root. I see the root. I don't see a peanut seed that is split open. I see a stem. I see leaves. I see a root. I see a stem. I see leaves. I see flowers.
Flowers.
I see peanuts. I see roots. I see stems. And I still see leaves, and I still see flowers.
Okay, very good. Now, where does the new plant or the new seed, where does it grow? From the flower above ground or underground?
Underground, according to this picture, that is.
Underground. Now, is it a tuber like potato or is it a seed? It's a seed.
Yeah,
Still called a seed. You'll find out why next class, okay? So some plants, again, grow their fruit from flowers, and some grow them underground. Now, you said we weren't going to talk about the yellow pepper, but where do you think it grows? Do you think it grows above ground?
Above ground.
The fruit or underground?
It grows
What do you think?
Above ground.
It does. Yeah, let's right here. It grows above ground. What about, and it comes from the flower, right? What about the carrot? What do you think about the carrot?
It grows underground.
Exactly. That's right. It does. It grows under the ground, right? And you can even see the little roots coming off of these carrots right here, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So there are so many amazing plant parts we need to learn about, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Does a carrot plant have a flower? What do you think?
No.
Does a
Yes.
carrot plant have a
Yes.
flower?
Yes.
Okay, I heard a no, I heard a yes.
It's yes.
What's your final answer?
The answer is
If this were a game show on TV, what's your final answer?
Yes.
Yeah, it grows seeds and it also has flowers. Very smart girl. Very smart girl. So we have a lot to learn about these amazing plants, okay? So if you would please, next time we have class, if you can bring our chart and the question page that goes with it, and we will learn so much more about these plants, okay?
Okay.
Now, you'll also want to bring either colored pencils or markers so we can draw these plants, okay?
Okay.
All right, Miss Ivanka, I want you to get to feeling better, and I want you to have a great day. And I can't wait to see you next time. Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Ooh, you know what? Bye, dear. Have a great day.
Have a great
Goodbye.
day.